boys and girls. I hope everybody is doing great. And today we are going to start our lesson on rainbows. What do you guys think? What is a rainbow? Okay, so I would like everybody to do this with me. I want everybody to close your eyes. Okay, so close your eyes so tight. Imagine there was a huge rainstorm. Okay, you're safe in your house, nothing happened, but there was a huge rainstorm. Okay, and the rainstorm is just about to end, and you go over to your window, okay, and you look outside into the clouds, and what do you see? The sun was starting to come out, and the rain was ending, and then in that magical moment, what do we see? A rainbow. How awesome is that? How many of you guys have seen a rainbow? I have seen lots of rainbows, and they are just my absolute favorite. So let's go into what is a rainbow. Do you guys know what a rainbow is? What makes a rainbow pop up in the sky? Okay, so a rainbow forms mostly when the sun rays strike raindrops, okay, falling from far away rain clouds. And rainbows appear in part of the sky of the opposite side of the sun. Whoa, that is some cool information about rainbows. What do you guys think? I think that was pretty awesome. Well, guess what, boys and girls? Today, we are going to create our own rain cloud in a jar. And we're going to make this the rainbow edition of that to make it a little more fun to tie in with our lesson today about rainbows. Okay, so what you're going to need for this, if you would like to do it at home, is you are going to need a glass jar, you are going to need water, you're going to need food coloring, you are going to need shaving cream, an eyedropper or something you can use for the watercolors, okay? And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have here, let's scoot these on over, and then I'm gonna scoot this back so you guys can see. Okay, so I have my jar, and it's filled with water, but I left a little bit of room at the top. Okay, then I have some food coloring here, and I have a measuring cup, okay, so it can help me out if I need. And then over here, I have some cups filled with just water. So now I'm gonna take my food coloring, and I'm gonna make this jar blue, and this one I would like to make purple. So in order to make purple, I need to mix blue and what other color? That's right. If you said red, you are correct. Red and blue make purple. So I put 3 drops of blue, and now I'm going to put 3 drops of red. Oops, 4, 1 snuck out. That's okay. And then in this jar, I'm going to make yellow. Okay. And now I would like in this jar to make orange. So I'm going to take yellow, and what other color do I need to mix to make orange? That's right. If you said red, red and yellow make orange. So I am going to put 3 drops of yellow, and then I'm going to put in 3 drops of red. Okay, and last but not least, I would like to make green. So in order to make green, I am going to need yellow, and what other color? If you said blue, that's correct. Blue and yellow make green. So I am going to put 3 drops of blue, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to put 3 drops of yellow. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now I'm going to take my little stir, and let's mix up our colors. So here we have green. Here we have orange. I know it looks a little red to you guys, but once we start putting it in our other jar, you'll totally be able to see that it's orange. We have yellow, we have our purple, and blue. Okay, so now that we have each jar mixed, we're going to switch this around a little bit so everybody can see really, really good. I'm gonna move my colors back here behind my jar. Okay, so now what's left? I have my jar with my water in it, okay? And now we are going to take shaving cream and I'm gonna squirt it on top. Now our shaving cream is representing a cloud, okay? So we're gonna pretend this is our sky. Now, oops, we're about to pour our cloud in there. Look at that. Okay, we got our cloud. Everybody see? Look at that. You see our sky here? It's all clear, and then our clouds are on top. Okay, so just like a cloud, the shaving cream slowly takes in the water, okay? And then the cloud, it's gonna start expanding and it's going to start to fill up. And then once it fills too much, that is when you start to see the rain come down from the cloud. So we are going to do that today, which I am going to take my little dropper. This is the dropper I have, which you can find in your mommies and daddies will know when you have your medicine. This can come with it, so you can use these too. So let's start with blue. Let's start with our, blue. Okay, so I'm gonna soak this up here, and then I'm gonna start putting some drops on top of my rain cloud. Get it all in there. Okay, so that was my blue. And now I'm gonna soak up some purple. And I'm gonna put that in here. Squirt that all around. Do we see any rain coming down yet? Maybe not yet. That means our rain cloud is not full enough to begin its process to start raining. Now I'm putting in some yellow. And now let's get some red. I think we're beginning to see a little bit of our rain start to come down. Okay, let's get some red. Why don't we make our orange a little bit, we're gonna make this a little bit darker, and maybe that will help show a little bit better. Sometimes when you're doing your experiments and your lessons, sometimes even though they have a list of things that you're supposed to do, sometimes you have to add a little bit more or a little bit less. So today Miss Jessica added a little bit more to make it more of a bright color. Now let's see what happens when we put this orange in. Look how dark it is. Whoa. And maybe we should do the same for our green. We'll make this a little bit darker and a more vibrant color, so hopefully we can see it better when our rain cloud starts to begin. And now, let's soak up the green, and we're gonna put some green in there. Okay, now I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you can really see the rain cloud start to come down, okay? So here you'll be able to see, look at all the colors right underneath the cloud. That is your rain slowly releasing from the filled up cloud. Slowly starting to come down. And look underneath there. See, a lot of it's trapped in the cloud, And when it gets too full, then that's when it starts to rain. So now you guys also know, not only when we see a rainbow in the sky, that also means that we know what happened beforehand. It was raining before. And how does it rain? What happens? Our cloud gets so filled up with the water, and then it releases it out, just like we did in our experiment here. And you can see the rain slowly starting to come down. Really, really cool. Look on this side. Really started to come down over here where you can really see the colors. How awesome is that? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our little lesson on rainbows today, and I will see you guys later. Bye!